Welcome to JH. Here is how to update your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset on Windows. This guide will help resolve audio problems and ensure peak performance. Start by opening the device manager. A quick way is to press the Windows and R keys simultaneously to bring up the Run dialog. Enter dev.msc and press Enter to launch the tool. Once the window appears, scroll down to the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers category. Click the arrow to expand the list. Locate HyperX Virtual Surround Sound, or any entry containing HyperX. Right-click it and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the prompt and wait for the process to finish. Now, disconnect your headset and reboot your computer. After your system restarts, plug the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset back in. Windows will automatically recognize the device and install the necessary drivers. To further optimize your audio, consider updating your Realtek drivers. Visit the official Realtek site and download the latest high-definition audio codec compatible with your Windows version. Run the setup file and restart your PC again. Finally, reconnect your headset and perform a sound test. Your audio should now be perfectly clear.